Welcome all. I am Abhay More, welcoming you to understand about the IT certifications. Now, in today's video, we are discussing about what is the certification is, whether freshers needs to do the certifications or not, and the benefits of the certifications. About certification. Who introduced the certification? Simply, the technology owner is going to provide the certifications. It means Microsoft introduces the certifications for their own technologies. Oracle introduced the certifications for their own technologies so that the industry can judge whether the particular candidate is capable of handling the technology in the respective companies or not. I always tell everybody you are your own best career manager. So if you would like to add up various feathers in your hats, then definitely you have to go for adding up your profile along with the various IT certifications. An IT certification is a quick and readily recognized benchmark mapped to a specific skill set based on a standardized testing. Now you know that in IT industry also now the industry is going towards the role-based technologies and role-based certification also going to come up into it. I will be discussing about what are the role-based certifications also in my upcoming videos. But an IT certification is useful for recognizing you that you are basically a person who knows about a technology. A certification demonstrates your dedications, motivations, and technical knowledge on a specific platform. Once you are earning the IT certification, you can join a group of individual, a peer group, which you can demonstrate your skills into it. Even if various companies are having their partners program, and if you would like to join the partners program, then you need to go for having the certification of that company's technologies. And having a certification shows that you are not only possesses the comprehensive knowledge of a technology, but you also care about your own career to spend the time and the money to get what is certified. Remember one thing, whatever the companies which are interested in giving the job work towards the other company, they want the outsourced companies must be having certified people. So definitely in your career, you need to get certified. And if you're starting your career with certification, it is always a point whether a freshers needs to do the certification or not. Now, any fresher which would like to join the multinational companies as a job, definitely as an entry, he required to be ready with the aptitude test, critical reasoning, group discussions, basic programming language knowledge, object-oriented programming language knowledge, and deep knowledge about your third year final project, or maybe your master's the final project, because that on that the questions are being asked by the interviewer. Now, everybody who is interested in joining the company are doing all these things. Then, what is special with you? The special with you is what? A certifications. Because ultimately, a company is asking you to do the certification afterwards also. It is better to do the certification before joining the company so that there are greater chances of what we can say the cracking the interviews also. So freshers need to do the certification or not. I am not saying that a developer level skill set has to be achieved in a certification by the fresher, but at least the beginning level certifications has to be achieved by the fresher. So my answer to this question, a freshers need certification? Yes. It is better the freshers need to have a certification, not from any institute, but it from the technology developer. Like you should be asking for a Microsoft certification or a Oracle certification than some XYZ institute certifications. Knowledge is important. At the same time, the certification is also that important. What are the benefits of the certifications? Simply, you can get hired quickly, you are in a position to go for retaining your jobs. Promotions can be achieved by doing the various certifications. Networking opportunities are there. Professional credibility has been achieved. Partners programs so that you can be a part of the various partners program of the technology developer companies. You can learn new and current technologies with the help of certification. You can achieve your personal goals and you can definitely achieve the professional and corporate requirement. In this video series about the IT certification, every week I will try to introduce one certification and the way in which the certification need to get completed. Even if I will be discussing about how we can get the free certifications also from the technology company. Like in the upcoming video, I will be discussing about the Microsoft Azure AZ900, that is Azure Fundamental Exam certification also. So be tuned with us. Please